Finally, the government is settling its past due arrears with the country's healthcare professionals. Our Soo-Jin Kim dwells on tomorrow's big day for healthcare workers, with the Department of Budget and Management, or DBM, disbursing 27 billion pesos to settle government's health emergency allowance IOUs in full. The last two words being the operative terms in that statement.
The Department of Budget and Management is releasing 27 billion pesos to the Department of Health tomorrow as payment for the remaining health emergency allowance claims. This in adherence with the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to settle all arrears on the health emergency allowances of healthcare workers in full.
Nagbigay po ng instruction ang ating presidente na sana po ay mabayaran natin this year yung arrears natin for health emergency allowance. Yan po ay pangako ng ating Pangulo noon pa pong SONA nung nakaraang taon.
Last May, the DOH handed over an official request for the issuance of a special allotment release order and notice of cash allocation to cover the payment of the more than 5 million remaining validated unpaid HEA and 4,283 COVID-19 sickness and death compensation claims.
And with that po, we are already processing it at ilalabas po natin ang 27 billion pesos na arrears for HEA this Friday po. So, wala na po tayong utang sa ating mga health emergency professionals and workers. Kaya po masaya po tayo na naibigay na rin po natin kung ano po yung kinakailangan na maibayad sa ating mga health workers na tumulong sa atin noong panahon ng pandemic.
Members of Congress also lauded this development and are happy with the fulfillment of President Marcos Jr.'s promise.
Well, we really laud that, no? Kasi sa totoo lang, ang daming promises ng health allowances nung panahon ng pandemya. It was all sweet talk during the previous administration na ito ang mga benepisyo ng health workers, pero hanggang salita lang, walang actual. And that burden was passed on to the current administration. So we laud the President and Secretary Amina na nabigyan na ito ngayon ng solusyon.
Meanwhile, House Deputy Minority Leader Franz Castro hopes for no delays in the scheduled release of payments.
Well, welcome sa amin yon. I-release na talaga ito kasi long overdue na ito. Panahon pa ito ng pandemya. Di ba? 2020 to 2022. 2024 na ngayon. Kaya talagang dapat na siyang i-release with no delay.
To date, the DBM has released more than 91 billion to the DOH for the Public Health Emergency Benefits and Allowances, or FEBA, covering all benefits for healthcare workers from 2021 to 2023. FEBA includes special risk allowance compensation for COVID-19 sickness and death, and additional benefits like meals, accommodation, and transportation allowances for healthcare workers. Soo-Jin Kim from the National TV Network for the New and Better Philippines.